Meaning of Harry Lauder.
Harry Lauder.
Harry Lauder.
Harry Lauder.
Harry Lauder. Harry Lauder was a Scottish singer and comedian who rose to fame in the early 20th century. He was known for his distinctive voice, kilt, and comedic songs. Lauder's songs often dealt with themes of Scottish pride, patriotism, and humor. He performed in music halls and theaters across the United Kingdom and the United States, becoming one of the highest-paid entertainers of his time. Even today, his legacy lives on in Scottish culture, with his songs still being performed and celebrated during events such as Burns Night and St. Andrew's Day.